Okay, this is my first video on the Hoover Powerscrub Deluxe Spin Scrub 50. My grandpa bought this brand new after I took apart the old one, and I couldn't get the gaskets right on this, and it didn't work quite right, and the brushes didn't. Anyway, so he got a new one. There I am. Let's plug her in. I already have hot water on one side and soapy solution on the other. This is a system that they kind of copied from or borrowed from Bissell, because they had a system where you put solution in one and water in the other. So Hoover finally said, we got to come up with that too. They did get rid of the power surge button, so we'll see how it does. Holy shit, the cord's short. Holy, that's a problem. That is a problem. Look at this. I was gonna whip it around there, but oh my god, that is massively disappointing. So, unless you live in a one bed, a studio apartment, you're going to need an extension cord. Or to unplug it and plug it in every time you go. That's hysterical. Anyway. Let's rev up them carpet cleaners. must say, it looks like it works. Obviously, there's some dirtier spots in the shading, but I haven't went to the rinse cycle yet. And oh, wow, this thing works a hell of a lot better than the old one did. The old one, the brushes were vacuum activated, and this one you can hear the motor just scrubbing away. So let's unplug. I can't believe how short the cord is. Like, that is inexcusable, Hoover. Come on. Now I gotta find an outlet over here. Which, okay, yes I did, but not everybody has outlets like that. Some people only have a couple outlets in the house, and those couple outlets are way far apart. And anyway, it's just a pain in the ass. Just give us a long cord. Alright. I guess I'll start on this by the door first. Can I set this camera right here? Will that work? Let's try that. Well, the proof's in the pudding. Look at that. There is clearly a clean stripe across the carpet. I'm impressed. However, this thing doesn't hold as much as it used to. before it went like, I don't know. I swear it was bigger. But then again, I was going over the same spot a couple of times. But yeah, usually I can get quite a bit off of a tank of mix. But if you got soap over here and water over here, it seems like it uses it twice as much. But overall, I mean, can I step back? Can you see? Can you see where the carpet's a little bit cleaner than it was? I guess, no, I haven't got over there yet. But right there, that's where I did, see? And right there. So, I assume it's also time to dump the tank. Undo this latch here. Oh shit. That was almost a disaster. Okay. That stays there. No, wait. That hooks in there. Now I'm safe to dump. That was close. I almost had a catastrophic failure. Now let's take this outside and see what comes out. Now, when I saw in the reviews I watched online, I thought you really had to just pour through this teensy little spout. Like, that's kind of lame. I'd much rather pop this, then dump the whole thing. There we are. And as bad as that looks, I just washed this carpet like 3 weeks ago, a month ago, something like that. So yeah. Always pays to maintain your carpet. Carpet. Alright, I'm sorry this video's already gone to 15 minutes. If you watched this and found this kind of entertaining or, you know, helpful. Alright. Just like that. Like that. And then I take this. Go back in the kitchen. Get the hot water. Oh, in the bag. That's right, the bag there's soap. Alright. Shit. It really works, but it seems like it, you know, has a smaller tank. Is this still a gallon? I don't know. Anyway, so that was my first impressions on the Hoover carpet cleaner. Yeah, overall, I'm pretty impressed. It's $130, $140 at like Walmart, Amazon, and yeah, I'm impressed. You can use this to hook up your attachments. And yeah, I'm pretty impressed. I just gotta clip out and finish my job. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.